Hey, how's it going? It's Ari here. Welcome back to another video on my channel. Hope you are doing well. In today's video, I wanted to talk about the problem with network marketing and why, I wouldn't say it's necessarily like completely bad, but there are some things that you should definitely be mindful of when you consider getting into network marketing. Now, I'm not completely against network marketing. In fact, I've actually, been in it myself, but I wanted to talk in this video about what the main problem is with network marketing that I'm seeing with you know not just most companies, but also a lot of the affiliates that are promoting these network marketing companies. So the number one problem that I'm seeing with network marketing is ultimately the a lot of the companies out there are focused primarily on the actual income opportunity, the compensation plan. And the thing is, like, regardless of what you're promoting, you always want to make sure that you are actually passionate about the product. It's a product that you actually use yourself. You believe in it. You believe it can help other people. But a lot of people, unfortunately, they get in to network marketing, just for the sole purpose of reselling those products and then, of course, earning a commission on it. Now, if you could actually teach your team on how to actually get the results that you're getting, that's one thing that's completely fine. But ultimately, if the actual product isn't your main focus, if you don't actually believe in what it is you are selling, then ultimately that is kind of what gives network marketing a bad name. Is that a lot of companies have been known over the years to focus primarily on just reselling the products. And because of that, this is generally what tends to happen with a lot of network marketing companies getting shut down by the FTC, or a lot of people looking at it as some sort of like pyramid scheme or a scam. And the thing is, like, you have to really make sure that the company you are aligning yourself with is focused on selling actual products and not the actual income opportunity. So regardless of what it is that you're promoting, you always want to make sure that the company is focused on selling actual products that are needed in the marketplace. And then you yourself, as the affiliate, as you promote it, you always want to make sure to focus primarily on the actual product. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean that you shouldn't talk about the actual income opportunity. I mean, if you have been able to generate results for yourself and for your team, then I think that is definitely something that you could consider showing as, like, proof that this entire concept works. But when you focus primarily on selling the actual income opportunity, not only is it very disingenuous, but you're going to attract the wrong people. You're going to attract a lot of people that have this get rich quick mindset, where they don't have they don't want to stick to anything long term. They're always jumping from one thing to the next. And when this is for your primary focus, then these are generally going to be the kinds of people that you attract. They're going to be people that aren't able to duplicate what you are doing, and they're going to complain and say that it's a scam just because they didn't get results in their first 2 weeks. So that's really the thing that you really have to be mindful of when you are looking to get into network marketing, is that it's not necessarily a bad business model, but ultimately you want to be aligning yourself with a company that is focused on selling actual products that are well needed in the marketplace. And then you have to actually believe in what it is that you are actually promoting. So whether it's anything related to health and wellness, whether it's about travel, whether it's something related to skincare, or anything related to like crypto, anything like that, you want to make sure that you align yourself with a company that that has great products, and you could actually get behind them yourself. So that's really the main message that I wanted to really put out there about network marketing. Again, I'm not here to say that you should avoid doing network marketing altogether. I'm not one of these people that says, oh, it's a complete pyramid scheme altogether, and the FTC is going to shut down all these companies. I don't want to sound like that kind of person, because generally I feel like those kinds of people who they call every network marketing company a pyramid scheme, generally these people, they're always skeptical about everything. And when you're looking to build any sort of online business, you have to have an open mindset. You have to have a mindset of like, if you decide to get into anything, you got to have a long-term mindset. That's ultimately what's going to allow you to. So if you see me kind of, there's like mosquitoes out here, so I'm gonna kind of go kind of quick. But regardless of what you get into, you want to have a very long-term mindset, and this is ultimately what's going to allow you to have long-term success with anything. So a lot of people, while they're looking for the right company to join that will help them make tons of money, they're looking for the best compensation plan. It really comes down to your ability to actually market those products online. You have to be able to, you know, become great at marketing. And when you actually learn the right skills necessary, this is what's going to allow you to have, you know, the long-term consistent results. So you want to be able to learn exactly how to, you know, effectively market online. And this is ultimately what's going to allow you to have those long-term results in your business. So you want to have that mindset for pretty much anything that you decide to go for when it comes to, you know, online marketing. Going crazy with these mosquitoes here, but that's really the message I want to put out there. And if you are wanting to learn how you could effectively market online, you want to learn how to actually become your own independent marketer where you could succeed with any business you promote, any niche you go into, then there will be a free webinar you could check out, you know, in the link below this video. That'll take you to a free webinar that my mentor is hosting. He is my current mentor. His name is Vic. And that's going to show you pretty much how to build an online business by selling other people's products online. So whether it's affiliate marketing, network marketing, CPA marketing even, this is going to show you how you could pretty much succeed in any niche that you go into, and it's going to show you the right skills necessary in order to have long-term results in your business. So that's really the message that I want to put out there. Hopefully you found this helpful. If you did, be sure to let me know what your thoughts in the comments. You know, give this a like, share this with anyone whom you feel could benefit, and again, be sure to check out that webinar. That link will be right in the description below. And you can check that there, watch it to the very end, and take care.